you're going to be more successful than you would be.
You know what I mean? We're live. Sunday charting session. And yeah, let's get it, man. Let's cook this week. Let's fucking get it. Anticipate today. I didn't go to work today. Got woke up too late. What to say, like, touch it. Hey, today we're gonna do the whole thing until this thing ends. So I can pick some random number to order over here. Whatever number they go to, which number are we going to? Speaking some random one. Oops. Ready? Where we go? Is here from not from here. Is where we're gonna do a charting session. Now go to the alley. See the alley time frame on the 30. All right. So we're gonna start from here. We're gonna go to the next session, which is Dawson. Right now. Okay, I'm here. Charting session has started. The session has started. Okay, what is the 4-hour drawn liquidity? 4 boxes, both for liquidity. 4 liquidity right now is bearish. Market just tested for value gap. I'm anticipating lower movements to happen to over here. And if you go to the lower time frame, this you can see right over here. There's a lot of. There's a trend line here, like more of a relative equal lows and highs. We have a rag up here. So market did do a pump up. Let's see how market reacts out of this. So now I'm looking for the unicorn model for me to take trades, right? Unicorn model. If it's not unicorn model, then I'm not looking for no setup, right? But this looks like the 4-hour drawn liquidity is bearish. The 4-hour box is bullish. The 1-hour liquidity is during this time, Monday, June 10th. Okay, there should be no major news this week, right? Gotta see if there's any major news this week. Wait. I'm just gonna go to the back of the. Actually, I got my computer. How could you do this better? So we don't need to use our fucking. Oop, wrong spot. Works factory. Fuck you at. Damn. Okay. Okay, so let me go to the date spot. Let's go to the last one, to June. I want to pick from June to July, all of them. Boom. June 10th. There's nothing. This week was CPI week. Okay. This week was CPI, so we cannot take any. So after Thursdays, we could take normal setup, but so during this time I cannot take no setups. Just due to because the 4-hour drawn liquidity being bearish. 4-hour liquidity being bearish, 4 box being bullish. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just see how price plays out. But what I'm anticipating is, is there any setup? Yeah, there was no setup right before market open. Okay, I want to see what price does over here, right? Market should not be respecting none of these, right? Because it's FOMC week. Market just broke pressure up in an hourly time frame, but I'm looking for the 4-hour time frame to close, which it closed the next session at 10 a.m. So after 10 a.m. is when I'm looking to get any setups. Okay, so let's let the price play out a little bit more. So now the drawn liquidity is bullish, with the 4-hour buys being bullish. Now we're anticipating for the market to go over here. This other 4-hour for value gap. Inside of that 4-hour for value gap, what do we have here? We have our hourly for value gap. So my main goal is going to be the 50% mark of the 4-hour for value gap. We're like right over here. It says too far away. So anticipating 4-hour for value gap. Anticipating to hit the 50% mark of this. Yep, right inside of that. And with that, we have some order block. Market could definitely touch that order block and go back down, which we see already saw the market already pumped up there. So what we're doing is now waiting for the market to wait till next session till 10 a.m., which is all the way over here. Okay, let's see. That's right here. Boom, market pumped. Now that's at 9 o'clock. Okay, that's where the market closed. Now we're looking for a setup to the upside. Looking for anything that's over here. That's for right gap, which doesn't need this middle point because it's too small. With that, we got an hourly order block. So now we're looking for a unicorn model. So I won't be using any of these breaker block because market, you can see right over here, took out this low. This is right here's a high time frame, no unicorn model because there's no for I guess overlaps with it. But I'm not gonna be using so in my high time frame PD array, like an hourly 4-hour, I won't be using breaker blocks. So I might cut off order blocks, but if I keep on saying there's gonna be no unicorn model on a order block, I might cut it off in a higher time frame. But I'm mainly gonna be using super liquidity and fair value gaps, right? But yeah, now let's see how the price plays out over here. Can it push back down? Okay, push down. Now we got a Sasa liquidator over here. With that, now we have a high that the market could definitely go to before proceeding to go back up higher. So we're only taking high quality setup just to let you guys know, right? So the only time, so the 4-hour, this 4-hour fair value gap, 4-hour time frame right now in this day, it was what? 4-hour time frame was bullish. You can see 4-hour fair value gap right over here was bullish. This one got invalidated. This is giving it more bullish structure because market now wants to extend up higher to this. With that, we got a 4-hour break to the upside, which we got another one right over here. Now what we're doing is waiting for the alley type to hit our building block, which was boom, just hit it right now. After it hit it, and what I'm waiting for is now when the alley time frame is bullish, I'm looking for execution, right? So now go to 5-minute first till 10 a.m. Once I see okay, it's past my trading time now. Came out, I cannot even looking for a trade. Okay, it's bad. That's bad. Let me change this thing. Let me change this thing to, because I wanted to tell me when it's to stop, right? I wanted to tell me when to stop. Yeah, I wanted this to tell me when to stop. Okay. This one would be 5 o'clock. Okay. 5:01. This one, what I want to tell it to tell me at what time. So I want this one to tell me at 8 a.m. 8. And I want it to tell me at 12:01. Okay, tell me both of them. Okay, 12:01. Now we should definitely be seeing, yep, 12 o'clock hit. So we can't take a trade no more. So now what we're gonna do is just wait for the next session because past our trading time, right? Boom, now what we're gonna do is just let the price play out to the next session. Which starts gonna take a long time. This might be a long stream, but we gotta do what you gotta do, man. Now I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna delete some of these charts because okay, we got a 4-hour high there, so these won't bother us, right? Boom. It's just 2 o'clock. What we're gonna do is Tuesday. Was it Tuesday that was the okay? So Monday, Tuesday was no news. Wednesday was when the okay, Wednesday we cannot trade London session. Okay, this day we're looking for a setup. Go back one more bar because so during this time, what was the expectation of this setup of this market? For our bias is what? For our bias is still bullish, and fraudulent liquidity is still bullish. To I'm aiming for this. So now I'm aiming for these two, but the main should be over here because you know market just took out a lot of salsa liquidity. You know, you can see took a lot of salsa liquidity. I'm expecting more higher move, but not be greedy. So go for it today. Main draw look is gonna be out of these two. I have to go to the hourly time frame. Go find a better reason that it's gonna be there. Go over here. Got hourly fair value gap. Right, hourly fair value gap. Hourly bias liquidity. We got a 2. So this right here should have This right here, with this, there's no like trend line here happening. Is there a trend line? There's like no trend line. It's only 2 touches, right? Yeah, no trend line happening here. So since there's no trend line happening, what I'm gonna do is for my take profit, which is gonna be the most recent 4-hour drone liquidity, it's gonna be this right over here, right? But with that, what do we have here? We have a we call it red sub equal highs, right? So that's gonna be our main take profit. So what I'm gonna do is just go to the 4-hour time frame, close here. We got a sensor liquidity. But we already had a sweep, so market might go sweep out this one over here. We have another one over here. We're gonna have an hourly order block with us. Push it outside, possibly, right? Now all we're gonna do is let the price play out. 2 o'clock hit, boom. Now what we're gonna do is just see this. Did he first push up there, or did he test our building block first? So since we're looking for what is the out time from under the time? Boom, boom. The out time from there, so we're looking for a 15-minute. So wait, I gotta go right back. I gotta see. Go back to the out time frame, right? The out time frame was bearish, right? We'll touch it down, no pushes back up. So out time frame is bearish, so I'm looking for a 15-minute unicorn model, right? For 15-minute, we see any unicorn model over here. Boom. I don't see none. Boom. I'm looking for a super liquidity first. No 15-minute auto block. The 5-minute. Do we have any? Do we have any unicorn model? I'm looking for a super liquidity. I'm looking for another one. Yeah, none over here. I mean, this right here could have been it, but no fair value gap overlaps it. Boom. So I'm looking for a super liquidity. When I'm looking for super liquidity, I'm looking for the last candle that stepped the liquidity. The last bullish candle, last bearish candle. That's up to the buy side of such liquidity, which I don't have none here. And there would have been no setup for me to take anyways. You see price never touched my, never gave me my setup. Market just pumped up here. I'll take profit. Not taking this all overall. There's other asset liquidity that's right by it, right? So let's see how price plays out. This is major news week, so this is really gonna be normal, simple, right? Get back down, push back down. They take out 400 liquidity. Took out 4 hour buy side liquidity, so we can't tell how that's gonna end. So since you take out 4 hour buy side liquidity, we gotta wait for another cheaper liquidity. Which do we have any here? Boom, pushed up without taking a sensor liquidity. So price pushed up even more to over here, which our main goal was. This due to because of what? Okay, so he pushed up over there. Was there an NFP? Yeah, NFP highs right over here. This is NFP highs. Possibly, right? Friday, 6 o'clock, no. Friday NFP was somewhere over here. Push up above the high NFP move. Price never gave us that entry. Now we're gonna wait till the next session. Oh yeah, this one I remember as well. This is, it shouldn't be CPI, right? Wednesday. Oh, that's Wednesday now? I'm tripping. Okay, that's Wednesday. So we can't try it. We couldn't even look for a setup over there. So what we're gonna do is
get away, baby.
4 hour buys during this time was what? The fuck? 4 hour buys during this time was bullish, but fortunately liquidity is relatively bearish because market just touched this whole liquidity shit. What we're gonna do is wait till the next session, which is right here, the candle to end right over here. Wait, it's 2 o'clock, right? Push price, one price back. That's so right over here during this time. Market did relatively down, break scissors back down, but we did have a drone liquidity up to the upside. So our next spot to go for is relatively going to be this right over here. This 4 hour order block. Why this 4 hour order block? This 4 hour order block supports this huge fair value gap, right? And the daily time frame. You can see daily fair value gap. So this 4 hour fair value gap should 4 hour order block should definitely be getting respected, right? That's how I do my order block thing, right? So what we're gonna do now is wait here. Just give you a main goal for a take profit. We're gonna go to the 5 minute now. It's a 1 hour time frame, and this the next candle is one thing spawns. So what we're gonna do look for is a sweep of liquidity, any sweep of liquidity or order block. But the forward bias is bullish. The forward liquidity at this moment was bullish. The 4 hour drill liquidity was bullish. The 4 hour bias was bullish. So we're looking for an A+ setup, right? Which this day was what day was this? Because I don't want to be trading during major news. That was Wednesday was CPI. Thursday was PPI. Okay, so I can't trade Thursday. During this day, I want to see the price just move slowly. Okay, price move a little choppy. Okay. Now I'm gonna let that major news come out first, which takes you see how I can see the major news came out first. Boom. So this was major news. Major news. As you can see, even people who would have taken a long over here, thinking you would go long, you would have got stopped out because you know it's a major news day, right? So now, boom, price pushed up here, touching the order block. Now it just our main drawn liquidity rule. So we can't even look for a all that for the background, just like that. Family of 10 and just playing with y'all. Family of 100, bro. Fuck. Nah, that's how it is. For real. Market took out that liquidity as well. Next session. Which leads me out to be more bullish. But price trying to be pushing from here. This order block should be the like drawn liquidity from this order block. Market should change the drawn liquidity back to the downside. Which is here and here and above, right? And below. So yeah. If I would have longed it here again, you would have been right over there. But price, I don't think, cause I remember trading there this time. Market never really expected anything, you know. Because this major news came out, hitting off drawn liquidity. Then eventually we would have gone for another setup. We're gonna stop that because drawn liquidity changed right back to the downside, right? So what we're gonna do is let the price play out until the time. Now are we still bullish on this day? For boss is bullish. Forward liquidity is bullish. I'm looking for a boss, you know, move back to the upside from my hourly super liquidity, which we don't get, I think. Boom. Market just pushes down below it. We can't even look for a setup. Even though if you go back to that time, looking for a 15-minute unicorn model. Never had any 15-minute unicorn model. But this place above this, you know, where the market shows there's liquidity, market never displays above it, giving us a, you know, unicorn model and giving us a value gap. Never happened. So just gonna wait till next session, which is going to be a long time. You can just trade the whole drawings. Okay, so now we go back to the 4 hour time frame, wait until next session, which is 2 candles out of here. Okay, so now for our bias is bearish. You can see it over here. For our bias is bearish. The forward liquidity is bullish. I'm looking for another one. So as this was Thursday, right? This Thursday, was there any core retail sales? What was Thursday? Again, core PPI? What the fuck? Chirping, bro? This is Thursday, right? Wednesday and Thursday. This is what day was this? Thursday. Okay. Oh, okay. This day is gonna be Friday. Okay, I'm tripping. I was like, bro, what? Okay, Friday. Is there any major news day? No major news. Just 10 a.m. prelim, right? So now we're bullish for the day. I'm looking to go for this highs over here. Going for the fraudulent keys, but for bosses, fraudulent keys bullish, for bosses bearish. Now what I'm looking is like go to the hourly time frame. This hourly order block should do it. Hourly super liquidity should do it. Right, boom. Now we got clear action. Oh, cleaner price action. Right, so market should be moving a little bit better because all the major news are out. What we got is a mini high right over here. fuck the market did that for. Mini high right over there. Another mini high over here. So my main goal give me the 4 hours on liquidity, which is over here, right? So what I'm gonna do is let the price play out. 10 o'clock got hit our building block. So now we hit our Ali confluence. Now we're looking for a 5-minute bit of delivery, right? So we gotta go to the high time frame. When the market pushes back down, did he ever give us a positive fair value gap? No, I don't think so. And he pushed the price back down. So this is when the 10 o'clock started. Now what we're gonna do is for a 5-minute, let the market go back down here. So we're gonna look for a long setup over here from this displacement. So we got a low right over here. Let's see if we can get a displacement out of this low. Boom, market push up lower. Push up higher, we got a displacement over here. Are we gonna get an overlapping fair value gap? Let's see if we get an overlapping fair value gap over here. Got a breakup block. Got that super liquidity. So all they're gonna say is not a super liquidity, but market did take out liquidity from there, right? Well, people really do take longs from here and short from there, right? So when the market pushed back over here, now we're looking for a fair value gap. Pushed up. Okay, this right here, we have a unicorn model here on our side. Why do we have a unicorn model? What is over here? We have a push down. We have to touch this auto block right over here. We have super liquidity. We got a displacement above closing, giving us a breakup structure. We got to move down here, and inside of this breakup block, what I could draw it better is by putting the breakup block as a box, and putting the sweep. Look at the fair value gap as a drawn like this, right? So now I'm looking for the market to push back down here and giving us a better entry. See price pushing back up. If there's no setup here, we're not gonna have no setup here. Market push right back down. He hasn't still haven't took out any. Yeah, he hasn't still have not took out any big profit. So once the market does do a displacement, once we get another like a move back down here, displacement right back above and get up right again, we could take that as a move. But till then we can't do it. See how market is pushing right back down. Market took out his liquidity. I'm looking for a displacement above the last candle that it took out, right, which is going to be this consecutive candles. Market did what? Took out liquidity from the south side. Never pushed down here, if it would have pushed down here, would have been really good. I mean, once the market does push down to the order block or breakup block, all I'm looking for is one thing, right? My execution entries. Usually, market doesn't really tend to give me my execution entry until both of them gets touched. So even the market touches here, touches the breakup block, but right, doesn't touch the fair value gap, it's still green. If I get my execution, I'm entering, right? Because usually I won't enter out of the limit order, right? I will usually just look for an execution entry, which is a fair value gap getting reversed or a breakup charges back to the upside in this case, right? So, but that never happened or this time, right? You see, I mean, never got hit right at first place, but market won't do that right after he touches it, right? So market will possibly give us a better, but price action they move up here. So what we got over here, super liquidity. We got the last candle before the sweep was just right over here. Now we're looking for a fair value gap that overlaps with the super liquidity. Okay, now we got a fair value gap that overlaps. Oh, never mind. We still don't have it right now. Why don't we have it? Because the market did not displace above it, so we gotta let price play still. Okay, market did another move, but now what did the market do? Push back down here, taking out another liquidity. So now the market pushes up here, we can have another equivalent model. But what did the market do with that? Push down to this other breakup block, which hasn't gotten touched yet. Why has you haven't got touched yet? Because the fair value wasn't created. So this touch doesn't really matter. You can see how market reflected out of it right there. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. 1 minute is not available. So what we're gonna do is let's just act like oh shoot. Let the price play a little bit more. We can't go to the 1 minute, so that's kinda annoying. The price touch it real quick. Boom, touched it. Let's just act like we bought there. We're gonna have our buy limit order over here. We're gonna have a sell stop below the order block, breakup block. So we're entering out the breakup block, right? Because that's gonna be our sell stop. Our sell gonna be below. Because sometimes what the market does is the fair value gap is the board gonna be which it's gonna get touched first, right? So we have to put our sell stop below that, right? Usually people like to put it below this. So what I like to put it below is below the, because it has to be all the way down here, right? So I mean, we're going for a long take profit as well on this. We're gonna be going for a 4 to 1 to like 1 to 4 or 1 to 4 or all, right? So it's like gonna be right below this. A couple of ticks below it, right? Let's just say we put it there. Right, let's just say the profit is gonna be here, but we're gonna go to the hourly time frame first before we go back down there. Hourly time frame. So hourly time frame, our main take profit is gonna be here, right? Yep, there's a 400 liquidity, right? That is a 400 liquidity. Okay. See, now you see how price is giving us pretty clearly price action, right? So what we're gonna do now is where hourly confluence, hourly drawn liquidity was what? During this time, hourly drawn liquidity was bullish market. Got this liquidity from here. Market really never touched anything else. Just everything got disrespected. Solid drawn liquidity bullish. 1 hour bias is bullish. 4 hour liquidity is bullish. 4 hour bias is bearish. So we don't care about the bias because the major news is out out of the way, right? Now what we gotta do is, since we got our unicorn model entry now, we gotta put a sell stop below the sell stop liquidity because that's what I like to do. I don't like to use to put it below that. It's more riskier. Let's just say the price doesn't go down there, but still long term, right? Long term is more better, right? So auto block. What I care about this breakup block and not as for value gap. They're inside of it, so let's make a unicorn model. It's just the auto block first, which I'm sure looking for execution. Whatever gets touched first, I'm looking for execution. Now let the price play out a little bit. Wait. So it act like we bought there because I fucking forgot to buy the last one. But yeah, let's see how this unicorn model plays out for us. So now we're gonna let the price play out. So is there any opposing 15 for value gap here? There's no opposing 15 for value gap, so we don't gotta care about the for value gap rule. Go back to the 5 minute and let the price play out. See how price pushed down to the fair value gap. Huh. It's kind of interesting though. So I'm still gonna be looking for execution here. It looks like it does give execution because all I'm looking for is a fair value gap to get inversed or breakout structure. So it does look like I got an execution around here, but gotta keep it smarter. Fair value gap. So now once we got this super liquidity, now looking down, that's down in closing candle. So this right here is not a unicorn model, just because why is it not a unicorn model? Because this breakup block, it does not align with this right over here, right? So that's not a unicorn model. Market just priced up. But for my rule trading now, for my market broke sharp on here, so I'm putting my sell stop here. I'm like, I can't do that. I gotta for another sell liquidity to get created. Then I'll move my sell stop. So now market broke sharp again. Sell stop's gonna be here. Now we're covering up some losses. The market has pushed back down. So I'm looking for another breakout structure to happen. Boom, price hit above our take profit. Right when he had take profit, we're instantly breaking even. So now what we've got over here is, let's see the 15-minute time frame. How do you close the 15 minute? He closed above a 15-minute time frame. Now what we're gonna do is look for a 5 minute again. So since TP2 is far away, we're gonna start trying that again. So I want to see another breakout structure. So now the market broke sharp above that. I'm looking to try my stop loss. So we got two lows, broke sharp above those. So now the market does go down here. We can have another stop over here. Now let the price keep playing out. Usually, what I heard that unicorn model usually makes a big move, right? So this does look like a big move. 4RR. Price pushed up even more. I'm looking for another breakout structure to move my chest above. Okay, so I'm still waiting. See how I still have my stop over here. Because I can't take out my position here because he told me to hold it, right? But like full size. So covering my stop over here would be better, right? Boom, let the price play out a little bit. So I don't gotta do that. I just gotta let the price play out like this. Get started here. No breakout structure. My stop is still over here. You see market broke sharp on this. We got one low. Now what we're looking for is, so now we got that. Now it's just gonna be right above this low because the market pushed down here. Market has last chance of taking this out. So now if we get another breakout structure, so it's gonna be right above that until it hits TP or sell stop. Boom, broke sharp again. Sell stop right above here. So now I'm waiting for another breakout structure. Okay, broke sharp over there. Sell stop is gonna be all over here and below the other low. Gonna be below that lower low. Looks like you're gonna hit TP over here. For fair gap, hit the TP for a 4RR. You see, this is why I like Unicorn Motor. I used to use it long time ago. Not a long time ago. I used to use it, but one thing wrong with that is that I didn't know how to use it. I was like, bro, this is not playing out the way I want it to play out. Cause like this is like I just see the pattern, but I don't actually know that if it aligns with a higher time frame. Just now I found out that every time you enter, it's supposed to be, it's meant to be for execution, not for like, you know, just dumb entries, right? So yeah. But one thing to keep in mind over here when the market pushes down to the fair value gap, if I constantly see the market pushing down to the fair value gap, I'm only gonna be entering the trade that are in the fair value gap. If it's not inside the fair value gap, I'm not looking for no trade, right? Because like, we would have probably had a better entry and be more secured in a way, right? So it's still gonna be below this is because we're going for a high amount of RR, right? 4RR. So now we're gonna let the news next play out came out. Next session, no entry as well. Market just pumped up. Right, so now what we're gonna do is it was just at 6 a.m. Damn. Wait, let me change this setting on these because I'm confused now. Hold up. 2. Oh, I'm fucking up these, bro. Fucked up my shit up. Fucked up my indicator. So I fucked it up. That's what I did. Boom. This is not meant to be that. It's meant to be 8. So to 8. Okay, so next session is here as well. So now we're gonna let the next session play out. This is the 6 a.m. So yeah, now I gotta wait till this 4 or 10 o'clock time frame closes. So we're gonna wait till the next session to 10 a.m. which I gotta mark it down real quick. Just from here on, we're looking for longs if there's any setup. The price keep on playing. Okay, close above, right? Right when it close above, I'm looking for entries now again, right back to the upside, right? Because the 4-hour time frame candle close above. So what we're gonna do now is look for any other setup if there is gonna be any setup, right? So it's gonna still got an outlet size liquid over here. Now what we're gonna do is I'm anticipating for another move back to the upside, which could be to this high, to this high. This is Friday 10 o'clock, so the same session. Our next main goal with drawing liquidity can be on that because, well, this is the most recent drawing liquidity. That should not be greedy. So now we're gonna go over here, let the price play out, hit the fair value gap. Now I'm meant to be looking for another, like, you know, confluence. Although this could have been another move right back to the upside, but markets have that liquidity, so we want to be we want to be more careful. See how the price plays out because it gives us any order block. Look at liquidity again. Okay, so now that was the 11 o'clock turn. This is the 12. So now what we're gonna look for is the outside is still bullish. So looking for a 5-minute, you know, 5-minute move. But this is 12 o'clock. Fortunately, in market did not give us a setup past our turning time. Well, let's see how price plays out over here. Let's see if it gives us a setup here. Looks like market took all this liquidity, giving us a displacement above. See it right over here. I'm not gonna take this. I'm not gonna take this trade, but it's because it's past my 12 o'clock, right? But what we had was over here was, you know, boom. We have a huge fair value gap. Now I'm looking for the market to just a break a block, right? Right. So now let's see what it does over here. But it's past my trading time, so it shouldn't be a good thing, right? But we're gonna see how price plays. I'm not gonna take a trade on the demo shit. Okay, boom. I'm gonna move back down here. We won't be taking out of this fair value gap because that fair value gap does not overlap with this. Now, we'll look for a setup. Let's see how the market plays out from here. Does it go back down to the order block, or it just pushes up? Pushes up. Okay, this is very interesting. Or pushes back down. Okay, boom. Pushes back up. Goes back down. overall pushes back up, right? Yup. So now over here, I don't know if the market wants to constantly push up higher or not. But no other thing, yep. So yeah, so buying over here, some buying over. Gotta watch out for the 15 for Raga rule as well. We don't have no 15 for Raga. Okay, we're chilling on that. So over here, it's on this, I gotta watch out for the 15 for Raga rule. I do see my setup getting disrespected. When it's 15 for Raga, so I'm gonna let 15 for Raga here. Round at 15 for Raga. Let it get touched, then look for another setup, right? So, do we have any other confluence here? Boom, another displacement where the market could definitely be coming back down here. Because why? Why? We got a Ferrari up here that's in line with it. Market did a super liquidity. Got a displacement above. So I could definitely see this is still valid until here. So once the market touches here, there's no reason for the unicorn model to be working out anymore. So it's still valid till now. Still valid. I mean, let's see what the market does. Does it push back down to this, or just constantly goes up? So what I'm seeing right now for VIGAP is the 1, right? Because you can see the market never touched the breakup block. Where the market touched the fair value gap just expanded. So my sell would have been below. That's the third candle. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. Below this one. You wouldn't be below this. It's too far away. It's all the way back to the hourly, right? But it's past my trading time. Couldn't even take that. The market, you can see, market did hit TP1. Did that candle close below? But this candle close below, so I would have gotten out right over here. So my trade would have been right over here. But I would not be taking that trade. But see if you can see overall in the longer time frame. Price push up or down. Yeah, hit our TP1, hitting our hourly confluence right over here. TP1 got smashed, right? Now, if you keep on playing it, what to do? Okay, came back down. Okay, so that 15-minute take profit rule is still so fucking important, right? So okay, so one, we got 2 checkers on for fair value gap. What we could do is put some notes down, right? I'm gonna have to just put it over here. Fair value gap 2. I guess that might say some little BS, but yeah, fair value gap 2. So what we're gonna do now is keep on playing it. But now we're gonna see the next day, which is from 16th, from 17th to up and above. 17th and above. So during this time we had core retail sales at Tuesday. So Tuesday core retail sales. We won't be trading Tuesday learning session, but above that we will. Wednesday is a bank holiday, so Monday. So during this week, do we have any major news like CPI, PPI, NFP? No major news week. Looks like it. Yep. So now what I'm doing is all I'm gonna wait for is not trade Tuesday learning session. After that, eventually from there let the news play out, then look for setups, right? But during this time you can see news don't really fucking mean shit. But when it's a major news like core retail sales, NFP, CPI, PPI, let the major news come out first, right? But yeah, anything else don't really matter. Let the price play out until it gets to that time. That is at 2 o'clock. Okay, so during this time we're in a 4 for value gap. We might get a deeper fill on this, but 4 for value gap. Our main next goal is gonna be this 4 for value gap over here. Market might push up here, but it's the next 4 for value gap. This might cause it break structure back to the downside. 4 box is bullish. This might be a high quarter setup to the upside. 4 box, but fortunately key is bullish. Main goal is gonna be this, and it has stuff inside the fair value gap. We can go to the 50% mark. It's a relatively big one, right? We won't be going for this until probably next session. So what we're gonna do is we'll go to the hourly time frame. My main take profit on this, to me personally, would be this hourly fair value gap. Hourly possible liquidity inside of it. The first one won't be none of these until next session, right? So what we're gonna do now is look for a setup over here to go to the upside, which would have been all the way down here, or a building block getting created, such and such. So let's see, let's the market play out. Push down, boom. Push down still. Pushed above now. Okay. Give us a elder block in a high time in an early time frame. So 4 keys bullish, 4 boxes bullish, one of the keys bearish at this time because market test is for buy gap. 1 hour. 1 hour box is bearish. So we're looking for a 15-minute. This is past my trading time. Why is it past my trading time? 5 o'clock is gonna be right. The next session is gonna be 5 o'clock and just close right. See the next session is 5 o'clock. Yeah, the next session is 5 o'clock. You can see the market did push up here to the Ferrari gap, but the next session is 5 o'clock. So we're still, oh shit. I forgot that's a different session. So okay, I can't be looking for a setup here till the next session. So now let's let the market play out till next session, which we have a sell side liquidity right over here. So let's see, let the price play out a little bit. Our main goal is still gonna be this 4 Ferrari gap. Right, 4 Ferrari gap to the start of it. Start of it is gonna be one of our take profit, right? This is gonna be one of our take profit. We're gonna have multiple take profit, but this is gonna be one of them. Close below it, we're gonna get out. If we close above, we're gonna not. But yeah. But yeah, that's gonna be like that. So what we're gonna do is now play the price until it gets to this time. So that's 8 o'clock right over there. No building block here. Waiting for the next session. I'm waiting for the next building block. Pushed above, right? So the next candle pushed above. Changing the drone liquidity back to the downside. Now we're looking for shorts, right? Because the 6 o'clock closed below it. Looking for shorts. Looking to aim for this low over here. And 50% has already got touched here. 50% has already got touched. So I'm looking to just aim for this low over here. That low. So the goddamn gonna what? Motherfucker, fuck you. Bitch. Chab. Pressing out in real life as well, brother. But what we're looking for is right now that this is gonna be made drawn liquidity for me. We got relative equal lows in a lower time frame. Boom. We got this other box liquidity. Now once the market does that, after that this 10 o'clock time candle and I can't use this because drawn liquidity just changed. Now I'm looking for another confluence to see if there's any other. Boom, price push back up even more. It's still no building block. I'm looking to enter trades around there. Okay, market push all the way back down, giving us no setup. I mean, I couldn't be looking for a setup there because I'm looking for another hourly confluence. Just right here to start of it, so I can't take that because if I would have taken it, market push back down, market would have definitely given us a U card model over here. What's our 5 minute? Wait, we're looking for a 5 minute, 15 minute. Third that time, all the time frame was. Let's say our time frame was bearish, yeah. So looking for a 5 minute. Yeah, market would have definitely given us that. No, we're not looking to enter anywhere here. Looking to enter somewhere when it's super liquidity. So market took out this liquidity, boom. Looking for the opposite candle, the last opposite candle for the sweep, which is all the way over here. So that couldn't be it. So yeah, no, not even a unicorn model over here. Market just boom, pushed back down without a good amount of reason, but it's cool. Now that the price play out. But let's keep on going till next session, which I'm not trying to fucking. Bitch, nigga. Let me go push back a little bit. Okay, that's that what? 2 o'clock time. What is the forward liquidity right here? Forward liquidity is bullish. The 4-hour bias is bullish. Forward liquidity at the moment is bullish. Okay, so we're looking for bullish movement, but price did push down a lot. So let's see, what do we got here? Boom, we got that. Sell liquidity. We got relative equal lows over here. I should definitely be moving down here. Yeah, we got a whole trend line without a order block, right? There's a whole trend line here without any order block supporting it. I'm looking like a huge move down here. Like, that's not the real one. I mean, doesn't look like the real one. Yeah, this overall, like the overall trend line, right? If this trend line gets broken, market will definitely push down here, take out this thing. Control liquidity couldn't be here because, you know, this market took out this liquidity. There's no actual, you know, sweep, but over here it's like messy. All of the order blocks are used. Then the most recent order block got touched, but which one of the most recent order block that got touched? But just right over here, so market should to be pushing down from here. That's what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating this whole thing to get disrespected. Over here, even you can see, he pushed out. Look for a setup, right? Let's just say that I'll tap him. Let's just go back below this, right? Let's just say we go back below this. Looking for that 15-minute, 5-minute, confluence, right? Looking for that 5-minute confluence. We got one right here. Now let's see. I'm looking to close above this and give it a close and give it a fair value gap, right? We got any? Because I don't think price should be pushing up at all. I feel like price should be breaking the trend line, pushing right back down. You can see the price action is kind of. Oh, we don't trade Tuesday because why? Because there's a major news on fucking core retail sales. Yeah, the market didn't ever give it a setup, but market shut down and pressed down lower or above. I'll wait till next session. Oh my god, I keep on forgetting. Tuesday 8 o'clock. Let's move all the way till next time. Oh shit. It's at 7 o'clock. Okay. Now what we're doing is look at the 4-hour time frame. It looks like took out a lot of liquidity, pushed right back above. But I gotta wait till the candle closure. He closed all the way. He took out liquidity, right? But it was before the market session, which is kind of gay. You know what I mean? It was before. If I had to let the 4-hour candle close because that right there. No, there's a 4-hour value gap. 4-hour value gap is always an instant change of drawn liquidity for me because. We don't have to wait for that, right? But a sweep, we have to wait because more dangerous, yeah. Boom, change drawn liquidity. We're bullish for the day. We have an hourly fair value gap right over here. Hourly order block right over here. The 7 o'clock time frame. We had a super liquidity. My main goal is to aim for this. These are two relative equal lows. So main goal would be right there, right? Two relative equal lows. Not equal, but they're really close to each other. When they're really close to each other, I feel like I always go for the, you know, the one that's close to each other, right? So it should have been this too, right? This came my main goal. Right over there with that. We have another basket liquidity. So now what we're gonna do is look for a confluence, let the market play out. Boom, touch our building block in the odd time frame. We're looking for a 15-minute. Not looking for a 5-minute, we're looking for 15 minutes. So odd time frame is bearish. Hourly drawn liquidity during that time looks like to be bearish because it touches for value gaps. During that time, for our bias is bullish. Wait, what's it bullish? During that time, the 4-hour bias was boom, broke the shirt up. Failed to break the shirt up, going back up here to break the shirt up. Okay, 4-hour bias is bearish, 4-hour bias is bearish, 4-hour liquidity is bearish. 1-hour bias was what? Bearish, 4-hour liquidity is bearish. We're looking for a typical confluence. That should be it. On that, now what we're gonna do is press right back down here where the market pushed. Market took out his liquidity. Boom. Well, that's too far away. That's like that. That's unrealistically fucking far away. Where or let me think about it. Is that a unicorn model over there? Market, we got a such liquidity, but this one so far away from each other, right? The last up candle closure, we were a little before taking out liquidity. Took out this liquidity. Took out all these liquidity. So this right here could have been a unicorn model, right? Looks like it. To me, it looks like to be a unicorn model, 15-minute unicorn model. We got a fair value gap there. We got a overlapping fair value gap with that. With that, what do we got? Is I'm gonna go back to the hourly time frame before we take any trades. Hourly time frame, we only have one fair value gap, so I can't go for that to take profit. But this one would be in the 50% mark of this. Would have been one of our take profit. Boom. I'll go to the 30-minute, 15-minute. Market took out us a lot of liquidity from downside. The last up closer candle before taking out liquidity, which would have been these, right? This has a reason to be worked. This has a reason. What is the reason for this to go in our favor? Very easy, because during this time he has a overlapping candle closure. Market took out liquidity, tested fair value gap. With that, with another liquidity here. You probably wanted it to become one liquidity, but a lot of people call it a super liquidity. Oh, my ear's so fucking fucked up. There's something in there, but there's nothing in there. I don't know what I did to it, bro. So now we go to the 5-minute time frame. Now we got a 15-minute, right? 15-minute. So now we go to the 5-minute, look for another 5-minute. And eventually we'll go to the 1 minute. We're looking for just normal setups. So now we look at a damn. Now we go to the 5-minute. We got a 15-minute confluence. Now I'm looking for another one. This is gonna be super liquidity. If the market pushes above this, look for a setup over here. Say the market plays out over here. Push above. Oh my goodness. He did a huge push above. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is go retail sales. That's go retail sales. With that, all I'm looking for is a fair value gap. Fair value gap right over here. Overlapping fair value gap. Boom. We got a so what we got out, we got a 15-minute, right? We can't look for a setup because I don't trade before a core retail sales event or any major news event. So what we're gonna do is let the major news come out first. Now what we're looking for is this auto block, and then we're gonna put overlapping fair value gap. So right after the market to fair value gap, it's good to go for longs, right? Let's see if the market does a retracement down here. Push down one time. We can't turn that. Now we're looking for. Now this is a place for me to look for an entry. Wow, why? Possible liquidity. Another one over there. With that, we can't enter out of that one because it's not overlapping with the fair value gap with the breaker block. So now we're looking for entry. Let's just say we bought over here as like a dumbass. So we're gonna put our sell stop below where. When enter out of fair value, got the third candle. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be right below the spot. So liquidity over there. Entry, take profit is going to be all the way to this relative equal highs and this right over here. Is that relative equal high? These are relative equal highs, so this is going to be definitely one of my take profit. But what's the high time frame? They're close to each other, but we got a relative equal high over here. So it's still cool. It's still cool, right? So what we're gonna do is go back to the 5-minute. So it says this is act like execution. What's the RR on this trade? Let's just say we bought over here. Let's just say we got a 1 minute everything, right? 6 like put over there. Go for a 2.8 RR, which is good, right? With a wide stop loss. So let's just say we play the price play out. Let's see goes here. Let's just say we got to enter here. Okay, now is the fair. Now we have, what do we have here? What do we have here, right? What do we have here is that now it's the breaker block one. There's no positive for value, so we don't gotta worry about that. So now let the price play out a little bit more. This is now where the market should be moving smoother. It just came out. Okay, just our breaker block. Push above. Boom. So when I'm entering, so keep in mind that right there won't be my real entry. Why would it be not my real entry? Because I'm looking for a 1 minute people liquidity. Now we're super liquidity. I'm looking at 1 minute inversion or breakup structure. There this time, look at it. That does not look like give us any of that, right? So our entry straight away from sort of the fair value gap, but I'm looking for the inversion or anything like that, right? I'm sure I don't see. I don't got any over there. Now, if we want to play a little safer, we gotta look for the super liquidity. The price push up a little bit. Boom, price came right back down to the sell stop, sweeping out this liquidity. The last up closer candle. If we get a, so the last up closer candle is over there. So let's see how the price push goes over here. This is the last up closing candle. Let's see if we get it overlapping for value gap. Okay, we have an overlapping for value gap, so we gotta look for another setup here if we want to play a little safer. Boom, we got a up closing candle. We got super liquidity. So we're always looking for a super liquidity first. What do we get in this 15-minute time frame one? We get a, oh, that should hit our TP, right? We get a super liquidity right over here. You can see right over here. We got a super liquidity. Why is this one valid? We got a super liquidity. This is the last up closing candle for a huge for the sweep, right? Why is this one valid over here? We got a super liquidity. The last up closing candle. Boom. Yeah, you see, pretty simple. Market press down here. That's another major news. I feel like. And we're gonna look for another setup, but it had our ideal goal, so we're not looking for no sales no more. We're done for the day until next session. Which next session we don't have major news, right? Wednesday we got bank holiday for New York, but let's see how price plays out. Let me delete everything. So that's 2. So for value gap, so now I'm gonna go to that for value gap 1. BBB1. So trying to find out which one am I entering, but I'm always looking for that breakup structure or thing, so it doesn't really matter, right? But sometimes it does give me horrible entry, so we gotta be careful. So that's why we. So next session, do we have any major news? No, we don't have no major news. The price play out until it hits our ideal goal, which is, okay, so now we're looking for entries, right? Put the price right back a little bit. So what's the forward and liquid under this time? For a buy. It's okay, I'm gonna take out this right here. This 4 for value gap is not that huge for it to change the drawn liquidity. So we press it because sometimes it does change drawn liquidity, so I gotta be careful. But at that time, boom, boom. Okay, so fortunately, their next time is bullish. Why ran into liquidity? This for value gap doesn't really look like it is getting respected, but I'm looking for another move back up over here. So to this box of liquidity and above this. So there's any relative equal highs or lows over here. That would have been the main goal, right? No relative high equal lows, but these are relatively they're relatively like near each other. So that's gonna be our main goal, right? For our time frame, we got a 4-hour auto block right over here. 1-hour auto block. Sweeps. Boom. Now what we're looking for is a 5-minute. So the outside frame is bearish. So looking for a 15-minute. Let the price play out a little bit. So the 4-hour. Before we start off with the 4-hour bias? Bullish with the forward liquidity. Bullish. Why the bullish market took out liquidity from here? This for value gap has already gotten touched 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. It's overused now. Most of the orders are finished. Now we have this right here, right? So now I'm gonna do. I don't even know how the market moved this day. So I don't know. It's June, right? I don't know how long that goal was. That I'm just doing whatever it looks like it gives me, right? Which this live stream, the reason I'm talking, right, is just because I'm gonna look back into this video, right? I'm looking back into it. Constantly, I like to watch my own videos, which is that's what I like to do, right? Market. So outdrawn liquidity is bearish. So we're looking for a 15-minute confidence. We're looking for a 15-minute confidence. Outdrawn is bearish against the forward liquidity for a bias. And there's no major news week, so we just gonna take a longer setup. With that, what is one more key point on this is that why we're looking for a 15 minutes confluence, because for bosses, forward liquidity is bullish, for bosses bullish, one liquidity is bearish, one bosses is bearish. That's 2. We're looking one more to win. 15-minute confluence, right? 15-minute unicorn model. That confluence between 15-minute unicorn model with the 5-minute and with the 1 minute, not 1 minute, 1 minute confluence, right? So, and regardless, if we're losing, we have to look for 15-minute confluence because I time frame is bearish. I'll let the price play out a little bit. Touched it. for a 15-minute time frame. I'm looking for a 15-minute confluence, right? So what did the market do? Give us a straight up unicorn model. Right out the market open. What did the market do? Swept out this liquidity, right? Look at S. But bearish, bullish. Market took out this liquidity with the last up closing candle. Try to be here. With that, what do we have over there? Boom. The right gap. Overlapping the breaker block. So this is breaker block 2. Okay, so equal. Just alright. So now we go to the 5-minute. Once he touches it, I'm looking for another 5-minute unicorn model, which could be the super liquidity and push back above. Push below. Push below, even more below. So now I'm looking for the last upclosing candle for the super liquidity, which now could be this right over here. All I care about is the most recent one. Or if he gives another one, gives another one, boom. But I'm looking for another super. Let's see if we got super liquidity here. Okay, no super liquidity. So over here, no super liquidity. So this can't be the breaker block. Why can it not be the breaker block? No super liquidity. So now we're gonna let the price play out. Boom. Now you see how the market did a huge impulsive move out of here. Super liquidity. We got a breaker block. How is this a real breaker block and not this? Because this one did a super liquidity, this one did do none, right? And this one has a region to work out. Why it has a region to work out? He touched the hourly order block, right? Touched the hourly order block. That's the region he has to work out, right? Now, does he have overlapping fair value gap? He has overlapping fair value gap here, no fair value gap over here, fair value gap. Now let's see if the price pushes back down here. Give us an entry. Market just might push us out. It did not take us in, right? Which is cool. I don't care, but it's about following the rules, right? So now the price pushed down here. Now it's gonna be the fair value gap one if the market pushes back down here. You can see. Let's see what are the price do over here. Push right back down. We're buying here. Let's just say we're longed over here. So it's looking to blow a third candle because 1, 2, 3. Then take below this. Really tight stop loss. We're going for a really tight take profit as well on this. I mean, this hit our ideal goal. Hit our ideal take profit, which is a 4-hour. Yeah, hit our ideal take profit, which was a 4-hour. Yeah, that was a 4-hour take profit. I mean, regardless with this, I would have not taken this trade. But let's just see. I'm not gonna place it. But let's just put our sell stop here. Because this is not a trade I'm not gonna take, even if I get the unicorn model, because the market hit our deal goal. Our deal take profit. Because I go to the channel, don't look back to the downside, which I don't know how this plays out. Looks like it hit TP, which it did. Right? Yes, he did hit TP. Yes, he did. But hit our deal goal. So which we don't want. But as you can see, unicorn model played out. This is how I'm doing it now. It's how it's gonna work. So yeah, you can see that 3 wins in a row, really good win rate. Shit. How do I check it? I don't know how to check it, but what the fuck is it? What is it? You see, played a little bit good. Market pushed up. Now we're waiting to the next session because it already a go. So now we're gonna wait till 10 a.m. You know what I mean? Why? Market set the liquidity. Now we'll see how the market takes that out. Boom, that's 10 o'clock. Market close below, close above another one. I'm confused now. What the fuck? 2 o'clock close below that. 3 o'clock. Okay, it's okay. 10 o'clock close above this. Motherfucker gave me the advantage, still looking above. Okay. Close above this. Wait, don't make sense now. Very spellless. Okay. Change the drone liquidity back to the upside during this time. Was there any major news Wednesday, June 19th? This is no news because bank holiday. Eventually, we're looking for another long. I don't even know how the market played out under that time, I ain't gonna lie. Actually forgot. Okay, we look for advantage. Okay, so look for a long, boom. Looking for another sweep of liquidity out somewhere over here. So now I'm okay, so I took out the liquidity close above it. Now what I'm doing is looking for another sweep of liquidity to go back above, and I'm aiming for this. Why am I aiming for this? Because relative equal highs, you can see relative equal highs over here. Right. With that, what else do we have? Is that you can see why on during this time, why did I not go for this take profit when it was here? Right? Why did I not go for this to take profit? Very simple. No, when was it? Why did I just go for these and not this? This is way too far, and plus it's only too far for bots liquidity, right? Just to keep in mind. Because by the way, I just watched my video back and back, just to keep in mind, like, you know, see if I can improve, right? So now let the price play out a little bit. Boom, took out liquidity. Okay. But that's a fucking none of your hourly confluence. Confused now. That is not an hourly confluence. That is a 4 hour. But I'm looking for an hourly, you know what I mean? Because that's what I trade. I don't like to take out any other higher time frame because it's way the higher time frame is bigger, so I don't know how the higher time frame moves, right? So that I don't know how this plays out. I'm waiting for another confluence. This is 10 o'clock. This is the 11 o'clock market pushed up. Looks like it hit our take profit. Looks like it went in our favor. Boom. But you can see, it looks like we have a unicorn model over here as well. The last candle closure before taking out liquidity. Bearish. Boom. Now we can't count that. This one, boom. This right here, unicorn model, fair value gap, boom, pushed up in a high time frame. So now I go to the next time frame. Gotta see how the market did the market take a liquidity in this time. We're gonna take a liquidity, so we're bearish. Bro, this is giving me the fucking future. This is giving me the future of like fucking market. I don't like it. This is I don't like. I mean, oh, can I stop complaining, bro? Bitch, that's what I am, bro. So my main goal is gonna be this 4 for value. I'm not gonna be none of these 4 for value because the most recent one. There in the other time frame, what is that? What does that thing hold? We could go for this and this as a take profit. If that holds that. Now can't look for no entry until we got a super liquidity or any other confluences. Got a super liquidity right in our time frame. So our time frame drawn liquidity is what? Bearish. So our time frame drawn liquidity is bearish, 4 bias is bullish, 1 4 liquidity is bearish, 1 bias is bullish. We're looking for it to come to the downside. So we're winning by 1 point. So one of our main take profit is going to be this 4 hour. I gotta see the middle point. What the fuck? What am I doing that? So when so break even point is gonna be right over here. Break even. It's not gonna be a take profit. It's a way to break even because I can't do that to take profit, bro. It's too small. Take profit, right? Then this right over here is gonna want to take profit 1. Why is it gonna be take profit 1? There's a trend line to the upside, and what does this trend line hold? A auto block. Another. This one doesn't hold auto block, but this one holds an auto block. Holds an auto block. So my main last take profit gets where it ends up at auto block, because eventually from there on there's gonna be no auto blocks, right? But this right here, auto block, right? This one doesn't have an auto block, so there's gonna be want to take profit 1, profit 2 right over here, and the main take is gonna be here. So now I'm gonna go to the 5-minute, 15-minute time frame. So now we're gonna super liquidity. Now we're looking for this is the last down closure candle before I move before I super liquidity. We could form a thing, and now we got a displacement below. Now I'm looking for a 15-minute confluence, 15-minute fair value gap, overlap fair value gap, which we don't get. So now I'm waiting for another one, which we get another. This is confusing now. Okay, so I'm looking for another. I have to look for another sweep because this sweep right here did not include it for Rag yet. But this one did near this one. But to get the move down here, I'm looking for another move right back up. Move market push down all the way. Okay, this time you push down all the way without us, which is cool. For now, when the market push down here, now the Aljolik is bullish. So 4 is bearish, 4 boss is bullish. One of our bosses, let's just say we over here is bullish. One of the kitty is what? Bullish. One of the kitty is bullish. One of our bosses is bearish because market pushes down. We're looking for a 5-minute confluence. One of the key is bearish. One of the key is bullish. One of the key, 4 bosses bullish. One of the key is bullish. One of 4 bosses key is bearish. One of bosses bearish. For a 5-minute confluence. Okay, so now we can look for a 5-minute. Why? So we're during which time did it touch it? I gotta go back to the time. Let's see. Boom. Okay, so we got this right over here. Now we got a breakout structure. But do we have any entry here? We have no entries here. You can see no entries there at all. No sweeping liquidity. Now I'm looking for a market to pump right back up and give us an entry from here. So now market broke structure down in this candle right over here. Go to the 5-minute. I'm looking for another confluence of getting in because now we're in a fetch check. We're in a fetch check. Where's the keys bearish? For our boss is bullish, right? One of the keys bullish, one of our bosses bearish, one of the key. We got looking for a 5-minute confluence. Boom, we're winning. Very simple. And it hasn't touched our order block yet. It hasn't touched our take profit yet. So what we're gonna do is mark this out. Looking for a simple liquidity. Then looking for a displacement right back below. Hit our hourly confluence, which this if it changes the drawn looking back to the upside. It's just like a tick profit. Now a tick profit got one hit. So now we're gonna go for the next tick profit over here. Now we'll go back to the high time frame. Our next tick profit is gonna be this is right here. It's gonna be automatic take profit. I keep on forgetting. The start of the 4 for value gap is always gonna be automatic take profit, right? And I don't this right here looks like it didn't do a retracement. Did it do a retracement? No, I'm looking for a boss liquid to get shut down first. Okay, we got a super liquidity. Okay, market. So once you get a super liquidity, look at the last down clutch kind of. Yeah, it's already here my take profit. You know, there's like no reason for me to be in here. Yeah, no unicorn model. No missed opportunity. I don't care. Unicorn model, all I care about, baby. Every time was. This was what? During what time was this one? Thursday. 8:30 was when we got a thing. Okay, Friday we got some PMI shit. Okay, so let's keep on playing the price until it gets to the 8 o'clock. That's 7. Okay, so now we're looking for longs. Are we looking for longs? Market test for buy gap. This is already telling me how the market's gonna go, but this is how we're gonna be doing it anyway. So boom, there. Let's give a main take profit. It's not gonna be no D's because it's too difficult to do there. 4 of the kids bullish, 4 bots is bullish. We're looking for a long. We got the hourly for buy gap. I don't know. Yeah, hourly for buy gap. So the hourly for buy gap, do we have an order block? But that got just before market opened. I waited for our price to go push back down or above. Doesn't really matter. Now it pushed down. So right when you push back down, take out liquidity first. Push back down. Now. Fortunately, Kitty is bullish. 4 bots is bullish. Fortunately, Kitty is bullish. 1 bots. Jones is bullish. 1 bots is bearish. Looking for 15-minute confluence to the upside. Up to 15-minute time frame. It's already told us when we got touched, but it's kind of gay. Okay, so it touched it. Wait. Kind of confusing. Just push the price a little bit back down to. Yeah, this is major news day as well, so. Let the price push back down. Okay, so this is when it touches the fair value gap. Okay, touch the fair value gap, push back up, taking out the liquidity. They took out this liquidity first and push back down. Okay. The Alger liquidity is bearish. Owner boss is bearish. For the kid look for a while, to take off, I'm still winning. It doesn't matter regardless. Market pushed back down, took out this liquidity. Now we're looking for the last upclosing candle. So now we're looking for the last upclosing candle before a big move down, right? For the super liquidity. So this. Market filtered back up, but again, just another super liquidity. Okay, we got another low that market could take out. Okay, now we got a huge candle closure above, like huge. We got a breakup structure. Now all we're looking for is a fair value gap, right? So now we got a breakup structure, super liquidity. Just waiting for the fair value to get formed. Let's see. It might hit our take profit beforehand. If it starts take profit, can't we look for a setup? So boom, hit our take profit. We got a unicorn model late on because we can't even look for a setup here. There's no reason for it to go up no more. For me, all it does go up. For me, there's no reason to go up no more. But yeah, you can see price. If he came back down here, just boom. Yeah, market just wanted to off, bro. That's what we call gay people. Oh, what's anticipating for this day? Now, new execution entry, unicorn model. Yeah. Okay, the next day is Friday. Friday, do we have Friday? Okay, PM, I'm gonna be a bunch of news, okay. Okay, next I said this thing, and we're in a huge fair offer value gap right over here. Market just took a liquidity. The sells. I'm looking to sell till back down here because market did not fully fair value gap back down. I'm looking to aim for the 50% mark of this. Why I'm looking for 50% mark? Be the best option. No, nothing else here. A bunch of liquidity. Fair value gap. Yeah, and I'm looking to aim for this, but this four fair value gap here, but we got some fair value gap. My main goal is gonna be here, but this is what my take profit is gonna be over here as well. Take profit here and here and here. And now what I'm gonna do is let's play out a little bit. I'm gonna know accomplices. Okay, instantly pushed back down. Giving us this auto block. Got a super liquidity already, so I'll join liquidity right back to the bullish side. Okay. I'll join liquidity bullish. For bosses, bullish. For the liquidity bearish. The Ali boss bearish bullish. What did he touch first? He touched this first, yeah, changing drone liquidity automatically back to the upside. So over here, we could definitely look for a bullish movie right back to the upside. With a fair value gap right down here, we're looking back for the upside movement. So now from here, we'll be aiming for what? This huge 4-hour auto block. What does this 4-hour auto block hold? Attack 4-hour auto block. Go with the force and liquidity. So during that time, that 4-hour auto block went with a daily drone liquidity. No, daily drone liquidity was what? Okay, took a daily drone liquidity was bearish. So that 4. Wait, did they actually go with it? That's what is expected. Yeah, daily drone liquidity was bearish. So that's 4-hour auto block with the next go. We got a 4-hour super liquidity, got an hour super liquidity with this, right? Which was during the session. Keep in mind, was during the session, so this is relatively a good thing, right? Now looking for a long. Now, can I play the price a little bit back, please? So after this, I'm chasing my drone looking back to the upside. Now looking for a 5 minute. So 400 liquidity is bullish, 4 boxes bullish, 100 liquidity is bullish, 100 boxes bullish. So looking for a 5 minute. So now let the price play out a little bit. So right where the market touches the blue zone. Boom, now looking for a entry zone. We have a super liquidity right over here. Super liquidity. So this right here could become the breaker block. So now let's see if we get a closing candle above this. Or if we get another super liquidity. We got another super liquidity. So now let's see if we get an up closing candle above this. We got another move down. Okay, it doesn't really matter until we get a thing. So now if we get a closer above this, okay, give us a breaker block over here. But a candle closer above. See, every time when this happens, it always gives a displacement with what? For value gap. Look. For value gap, hopefully. For value gap, boom. Now we're looking for longs over here. Look. Are we looking long from here? We're looking for longs from here. Are we looking for longs? We got unicorn model. Super liquidity, breaker block. Last candle closure with a super liquidity was this. Boom. Breaker block. Now we gotta look at this. Push the market to push back down there. You could possibly concept push up here. But before we do that, before the market does that, gotta keep in mind, take profit would be this hourly basket liquidity and major liquidity there, and we're gonna go back over here. Okay, that's something. Yeah, let's keep on make take profit. Okay. Looks like it never touched our thing, but we can constantly look for another one until the market touches our drone take profit, which is all over there. Or candle close above here. Okay, giving us another execution entry.
What?
Yeah, taking out the alley sweep liquidity. Now that wasn't a 4-hour, so it's chilling. Okay, so yeah, it's past my trading time now, so I can't even look for a setup until the next session. Let's see how the next session plays out. Okay, so we're still aiming. Okay, so market catered to what? Bullish, bearish. So market catered box liquidity over here. Mango's giving the box liquidity. So 7 o'clock. Okay, so now I can't look for a trade until 10 a.m. So 10 o'clock ended up on. This is when we're looking for a setup over here, which. Ali bots is bearish. Fraudulent liquidity is during this time. Okay, so Ali time frame is bearish. Fraudulent liquidity at this time is bearish as well because market ran through its fair value gaps. This automatically changed my jump liquidity above, but you can see no setup between even beforehand. No setup, like no 15-minute conflict, no single liquidity, none of that. So I'm gonna be aiming for this as my next main draw liquidity. Nothing else but that. Go to the hourly time frame. See if you have a liquidity. But yeah, so it is that. But it does that, and yeah. That's our drawn liquidity rule. So now we can look for a sell to the candle closes. We're going to put up trading time. And let's go to the next session. I'm really liking this. Liking the outcome. Don't take too much trade, which is great. If I keep on taking trade, hunting for a setup like, yo, this because of this, it's not good. That's why I like the unicorn model. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'll change that bit at. Oh shit. That was Monday, Monday 24th. Okay. Next week, is there any major news week? No major news week. We're chilling. Okay, so now this week, just looking to take every trade we see. There's a unicorn model included. Okay, 4 hour time frame. Then it's time. Fortunately, is bearish. I'm looking for sales. I'm looking to aim for this. It might not go down, but it is what it is. You know, we don't care, man. We're stressing out. I'm looking to sell somewhere. Not here because it's just a good liquidity. Take profit is gonna be. Okay, so more looking to sell all the way over here if the market reaches down there. Okay, we got a buy side liquidity right over here. So outside from is bullish. So for the key is bearish, for a boss is bearish right during the time. Is bearish. So if one of the liquidity is one of our bias is bearish, actually both is down. Okay, so one of our bias is bearish. Allergen liquidity is bullish. Allergen liquidity is bullish. No, allergen liquidity, what the fuck? So confusing. So for the liquidity is bearish, for our bias is bearish, one of the liquidity is bearish, one of our bias is bearish. Okay. Now gotta go back above here, so we're looking for a sell. Oh shit, we have a order block. All we gotta do is just put the price back down. Just now we go to the 5-minute time frame. Looking for the execution. I'm looking for a 5-minute. I'm looking to let's see how this plays out, right? Let's see how this plays out. So when it touches the market, okay, touches it now, right? Boss of liquidity, boom, this completely got ran through. Now we give us a setup. Now this one is the matter one, right? Let's just see. The last up closing candle before. Wait, this is confusing. Wait, so last up. So am I looking? So what I'm trying to find out is that am I looking for a setup to perform, like to form up, or am I looking for one that's already been there, right? So I'm looking like it. But I might go back to my live stream because yep, I just fucking forgot about that. That's what I want to learn about. So this is now. We got a boss of liquidity here. That's during a session. Is there any opposing for riot gap here? No, there's no opposing for riot gap. We're selling. See a price plays out over here. Let's sweep it out. Sweep it out now. So once the market sees it out, I'm looking for the last down closing candle before that sweep of liquidity. We never get over here, never get another one. Let's push up even more. Okay, close above. I like that and blow pressure down up. So now looking for a 5-minute confluence, right? We're looking for a 5-minute thing. So now I can't even look for no setup until the next panel, which is touches this or not. Boom. This is at 4 o'clock time. No setup. Although it looks like we did get it, probably possibly get a setup for the 4 for right gap. But I'm looking for the Ali confluence, which we never get. And yeah. And yeah, bro. So no setup here. Just gotta wait till the next session. Next session is the next move probably for lows. Goes below. Still looking for sales still down here. For that liquidity, we're looking for sales still. Boom. That's 7 o'clock time. Boom. Close market close above it. So I'm looking for another confluence. I'm aiming to go for this. This is a huge. Looks like a huge thing, which has what? No order block. So maybe for that low again. Maybe gotta retry. Now we got our order block here. Now we got a super liquidity. Boom, no order block here. We got a super liquidity. No, none of the super got happened. We got so 4 of the keys bearish, 4 boxes bearish, 1 of the keys is bullish. 4 of the keys bearish, 1 of the boxes bullish. So looking for a 15-minute confluence. Boom, we're looking for the last down closing candle, which we don't get. So now so I'm looking for one to get built up, right? So we got super liquidity now. Look for the last down closing candle, which is this. So let's see if this could naturally respect it or not. Okay, no. Boom. This one can't be it. Why can't it not be this one? This one never had a super liquidity. Now let's see if we get it now. No for VIA gaps, no execution model over here. So we got a lots of liquidity, market pushed up, taking out liquidity, came back down. The last opposite candle for taking out liquidity, which was what? This part over here. Wait, what's it like? How was this? The last down candles were before upside, and the last bullish candle before downside. Okay, boom, never happened. Took it out. Not for VIA gap here. Now let's see that market does here. Market pushes back up or not. Hit our time trading in the window. Market really stopped moving good because it's past the kill zone. So we don't look for setups past our kill zone. Okay, so now this is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. Market fucking good. Okay, so this already taught me how to move, which is not great. So over here, there this time with the 4 on liquidity, bearish. What's the 4 buys? Bearish. No, 4 buys is bullish now. What's the 100 on liquidity? Okay, so we're looking to aim for this low still. We have a 4 for VIA gap. Now we'll go to the hourly time frame. Hourly, so this along with the 4 for VIA gap. So I'm looking to short from anywhere here. The 4 hour on liquidity is already bearish. So I don't care what the 4 is on liquidity now. What I do care about is now the dollars. I could just enter basically. I could enter based out of this hourly super liquidity and hourly for VIA gap. I don't have to care about anything else. And outlet bias looks like to be bullish, I think, in this earnings time. But the market should definitely be taking a lot of liquidity beforehand. But that liquidity pushed above, took out all those liquidity, which was during the 5 o'clock time. I can't even trade past this time, so wait till next session. Was above, so the trend don't look is so bearish for me. Maybe there's the confluence. Aiming for this. These are kind of close to each other, so I'm going for this as well with that. What do we have here is a 4-hour order block. Aiming for this. These are relative equal lows. Okay, so I cannot go for this. I cannot go for that low over here. So there's a relative equal low over here. Okay, so I'll let the 4-hour time frame go. It is kind of file time, 7 o'clock. Okay, so there's a 7 o'clock time. Algebra indicates bullish. Market took out 4 for buy gap. What's for buy liquidity? Looking for sells. Boom. Looking to short it to all down here. There's equal lows. Got buy liquidity. Okay, took out a lot of things. We got a outlet order block. With the outlet order block, what do we have here? Buy liquidity. Okay. Outlet time is bearish, bearish. So looking for a 15-minute confluence. Okay, looking for a 15-minute buy liquidity. It's swept out. Okay, pushed back up. Oh, never mind. Did it ever tend to touch our thing? Never touched our spot. But I look for the alley comes to get hit first, hit our ideal spot. Now look at the 4 time frame, or the 4 time frame close right above. So we're looking for longs now. We're looking to aim for the next strong liquidity, which is all over here. Now looking for longs. I'm looking to long somewhere from here. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. Let's got that liquidity. We cannot look for a long until okay, there's a 9 o'clock candle closure, right? That's a 9 o'clock candle closure. 10 o'clock is right over here. Now we're looking for the buying. So 4 liquidity at this time was what? 4 boss is bullish, 4 liquidity is bullish. This is their 9 o'clock. Okay, this is a 10 o'clock candle. Market push down to the such liquidity. Look at too long until here. So that's TP1. TP1 is going to be on the start of this. TP2 is going to be right over there. That's TP. Yeah, so it has no correlation with nothing. So it's going to be our TP1, TP2 right over there. What we're going to do is go to out of time from bots is bullish. Okay, looking for the 5-minute. Let the market put the person market back down here. There's the candle, created it. Now looking for a super liquidity of any lows. I'm usually like to see it get built up. That's what I like to do with it. We got a super liquidity last couple just get the market push above that. It would be great. Or it doesn't really matter, right? No fair value gaps. No candles above, no fair value gaps. Okay. Small fair value gap, but it never closes above that, so you can't make a unicorn model. Okay, no setup here. Push back up. Looking for a super liquidity here. Doesn't seem like none. Push down. Now I'm looking for the last gap closing candle, which is all of this. See how the price reacts out of that. Pushes back down without any entry. Boom, taking out this other liquidity. Boom, taking out these. So now I can't look for none of these. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for another low to get set out. We don't get. I passed my trading time. Market should be, yeah. Now be moving straight. But yeah, I'm tired as hell. But now let's go to this week. I'm gonna hold this back testing. We're good now, bro. It's gonna see in real life. I'm gonna do one more actually. I want to do one more. I don't feel like it. Okay, take a liquidity for a boss is bearish. For the liquidity is bearish. Look at aim for this low over here. Right in the alley time frame closure, we have an alley order block. Alley order block, right? Mm-hmm. First take profit's gonna be here. Nothing else. Okay, so 400 is bearish, 4 buys is bearish, 100 kitty is bullish at this time. 1 buys is bearish. Okay. Still looking for that sell setup. Okay, what would effects check? Looking for a 5-minute candles, looking for a effects check. Okay, boom. Now we look at a. So I can't be looking for this and like that doesn't really make sense over here. What does make sense? What the market do? Took out this liquidity. Now looking for a what? A displacement below this breakout block if we got any. And keep in mind, I don't know how the market moved during this time. I usually like to keep things in mind. I don't know how the market moved during this time. Which is we gotta close out. We got a super liquidity, right? We got a displacement close below it. Did we create any fair value gap here? Okay, we created a fair value gap here. So now I'm looking to short anywhere between the fair value gap and that. So now let's hit the price put back up. One thing we gotta keep in mind: 15-minute. Okay, so there is a opposing 15-minute fair value gap. I'm looking for the price to not respect this to see how the price moves it, because I don't wanna. Because I can't enter that now. I have to see. This is why I like it. I just avoided so much drawdown. Because if I would have entered here, I would have gotten stopped out. You know why? Because for my stop right above here, right above somewhere over here, I would have got stopped out. Why would have got stopped out? Because the opposing 15 fair value gap. I was like, bro, this doesn't look like fair value gap. So now I'm looking for 15-minute confluence. Now, juke all this until we get a 15-minute super liquidity and a 15-minute. So every time I get a 15-minute super liquidity pick a look, I always go. I don't have to. I don't even have to look at the drone liquidity because that's already with me. Drone liquidity is already with me, right? Boom. The drone liquidity is over here. Would they create any other lows? We create this low. What time is this? Okay. I don't know. Still don't know. Okay. Keep playing, let it keep playing until you go. Okay, took out liquidity. Now I'm looking for the last down candle before the move up. I take out liquidity. Scanner right over here. So I'm looking for a fair value gap with that. Took out this liquidity. That's my trading time. So this is like, I won't be enter this trade, but see, does if you respect this, there's a fair value gap. Market is pushed down to our take profit, which is over here. Yeah, it's literally like no reason for it to get respected. This is all the way over there. This is the only fair value we can turn the trade out of. Yeah, this definitely should be getting disrespected. No, no, actually, take the market price. Go back in time. Can I go back in time? This is, I'm pretty sure. I fucking remember. I remember this day, bro. 4 Abbas is bearish. 4 Abbas is bearish. We're looking to aim for this. What were we aim for this during this time? Yeah, we couldn't enter to the candle closure ends. Close above. They were looking for a long. Okay. Market took out liquidity right above. Well, it's kind of hard to tell how the fuck market moved because this shit won't tell me. Okay, this is 2 o'clock time. Boom, market took out a bunch of liquidity. Took out that liquidity. Okay, we look for a setup. Gotta wait till 10. Boom, market bounces bullish. No one could ever give me a setup, did it? Past 12, no setup. Okay, so now let's go all the way till my current time, the batch of the week we were in. Then from there. But yeah. Where the fuck were we? Right here. When was Monday? When was Monday? When was Monday? Monday 2, boom. Okay, so now this time with the forward liquidity. Forward liquidity is bullish for a bus. So I'm looking for sales. Why am I looking for sales? There's literally no reason for the market to go push back up. So the market needs to do a retracement, which I'm aiming for that low. Boom, waiting for this low. This is my weekly market recap of every trade I took, every trade I should have taken, and every trade. What were the lessons of the week, right? Especially what the emotions throughout trading. How do I feel to start this week? How did I do? What can we do to improve? And yeah, on and on. Before we start before we start off this whole YouTube shit, make sure you join the like, join the community, join the family, join the Discord. Link in the Discord, join the Discord. Link in the bio. With that, let's go over it. This week was to me, I didn't take no trade this week. I didn't have no boss liquidity. I didn't have no high quality setup, right? But one thing we gotta keep in mind throughout this week, learning something really viable, that when I was every time I was entering the trade, I wasn't looking for a rhythm that constantly repeats, right? I was looking for like order block, break block, and it's like I wasn't looking for that one that constantly repeats. So throughout this week, right on Saturday is when I changed my unicorn strategy to my strategy from nothing to unicorn model, just for execution, nothing else but execution. But on Monday, I think there should have been a setup here. I think I had a setup, but after Killzone, which I don't trade. But on Monday, I was sales. Why was I sales? Market needs to go push back down because there's literally nothing to the upside, right? No candle cut to the all-time high. Hourly time frame, we just took out liquidity, so I'm looking for sales still. I'm looking to aim for this boss of liquidity, right? The first candle closure above that. I'm looking to aim for there. I'm looking to aim for the size of liquidity over here below it. With that, let's let the price play out. Candle close below it, giving us this auto block. So I already got this auto block. But what happened? What the market do? Outside from bullish, so we're looking for a 15-minute unicorn model. We have an hourly size of liquidity we gotta watch out about. Now we're gonna to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if the market even touches it. Does it touch it? No, market took out this boss of liquidity. Last down closure candle, which is all the way down here. So wait, Market took out this buy side liquidity, the last candle closure to the downside before the sweep of liquidity, which was this. I mean, people want to call that. No, that could have not been it. Market touched the fair value gap, change its own liquidity. Okay, so now once you touch this, so what's the 4 on liquidity? Bearish. What's the 4 bias? Bullish. What's the 1 bias? Bullish. What's the 1 liquidity? That time was bullish, so we could not enter trade. We're gonna look for a conflict. We could not enter trade. So we're gonna do let the candle close, see more setups to form. Then this candle closed below it. So now I'm looking for sales. Well, I'm looking for sales from what candle? Outside from bench, looking for a 5-minute confluence. I'm still looking for sales because the hourly John liquidity is still bearish. So outside from John liquidity is still bearish. So now outside John liquidity is bearish. Hourly box is bearish. 4 John liquidity is bearish. 4 box is bullish. 1 hour John liquidity is bearish. 1 hour box is bearish. We're looking for a further conflict. We're winning this trade. We're winning this thing. My hair is fucking messing up right now. So throughout this week, on Monday, I'm treating this like I'm backtesting. So just forgot. I just got back. I'm still I'm not done with it, but still doing it. But during this time, what happened? I'm looking for an entry. I'm looking for another. But this hourly order block is still in place. I could still use this hourly order block. The same bill is still down here. Now, since it got disrespected, so I'm not looking for another. I'm looking for a 5-minute pattern to form, right? I'm looking for a 5-minute. I'm not looking for none of that. I'm looking for a 5-minute also liquidity to get formed. Price pushed up above here. We got 1 over here. Close above this one. No, close above this one. Okay, so pause it over here. What did the market do over here? Close above this one, right? Sweep up the liquidity. Although it looks like a breakout structure, they call this a sweep, so I'm just gonna call it a sweep as well. I'm looking for a down closure candle. So looking for a candle closure below this and see if there's an order block overlapping it. It has to overlap it. If it's not overlapping it, I can't look for execution. Because I'm still looking for execution because look at this building block. Let's see. Okay, we got another box of liquidity over here. So I'm not looking for another candle closure below this. Do we get any? Nope. Nope. Okay, no candle closure above that one. Boom, close above that. So I'm looking for another super liquidity. Do we get any? This is past my trading time, as I said. It's past my trading time. I can't look for a setup. But Monday, no trades, okay? Monday, no setup, no trades, no nothing. Nothing. This week, I was meant to be looking for what? This week, let me go back in real-time data. August 1st to all the way. Where are we at right now? Where the fuck we at? Where are we at right now? Okay, so this week was no high quality week, right? Not high. There was no major news week this week, right? So we were selling. So this is the 12th, 17th, right? So all we have to watch out with the core retail sales. So we can't trade before core retail sales was Tuesday. So right over here, no setup. Why no setup? Past my trading time. Oh, it looks like we did have a setup over here. Looks like it, right? Okay, candle closure. No. See how market just moves slower now. We got a super liquidity. Looking for the last down closing candle. Below the most recent, this right over here. No candle closure. This like no unicorn model on this. So yeah, no setup. Like fuck this one. Fuck this. Like I don't like trading this fucking type of whatever this type of thing, right? So Monday was no setup week. You could just say Monday was no setup week, right? Like it's too difficult, right? Monday there was no setup week. Tuesday, Monday, New York session no setup as well. I'm pretty sure. Why would there no setup? I'm still looking for shorts. I'm looking to short it to all the way down here where the market already hit my take profit. You know what I mean? Already hit my take profit right at 6 a.m. So now I gotta wait till 10 a.m. see how the candle closure is now. Now the joint liquidity is right back to the upside. So now I'm looking for longs right after that. 10 a.m. 12 o'clock is past my trade time. No setup Monday. No, I don't take down trade during that time. And after that, on right when the news came out, next session on Wednesday. Wait, Tuesday, what's on Tuesday? Tuesday, 6 o'clock, right over here. At this time, the out time frame was bearish. Far time frame was bearish. Fortune liquidity was bearish, but the market touched it for a gap. Right. So we're looking for longs over here. Which during that time, I don't think I had any setup. Looking for longs, looking to elongate. This is okay. I don't like this indicator, right? Let me just. I should have been prepared before I did this video, but yeah, Tuesday, no setup. Why was there no setup? Market pushed up here. You can see it's 4 for value gap right over here. This is Tuesday. 4 for value gap over here, which is this 4 for value gap got respected. You can see. I'm not looking for no high quality setup because it's not a major news week. That's why I probably missed out on some trades, which no stress. Looking to long it till where? I'm looking to long it till this a lot of this thing right here holds it, right? So looking to long it till over here. And this boss of liquidity all the way this here. Buy, I'm looking to long over there. Very simple. This is not a boss. There's no for boss of liquidity there. Look, you see market push down, which we don't know until we see. We gotta see what we gotta set up first, right? And with that, why did I mark down that shit? What is this? Yeah, that's the 4 boss of liquidity A4, right? The market went down here. 8 o'clock is right down here. Market. We're going to long it till all the way to the 4 order block. I'm going to long it from here. This candle closure right over here. I'm looking to long it. 4 bosses bearish. 4 liquidity is bullish. 100 liquidity is bearish. We're looking for a 15-minute conflict to the upside. So yeah, 4 liquidity is bearish. No, 4 bosses bearish. 4 bosses. 4 liquidity is bullish. 4 liquidity is bearish. 4 bosses bearish. 1 of our bosses bearish. 1 of the liquidity is bearish. Looking for 15-minute confluence. We cannot even enter the trade. Even with the sweep of liquidity, looks like we had a sweep of liquidity right over here. Yep, we did. Sweep of liquidity. And we're looking to long it till where? Over here, right? So now let's just say now we're winning the factor check, right? It's 32. Looking to long it here for the first take profit gonna be over there. Now we'll go to the 15-minute time frame. Because the hourly time frame is what? Bearish. So looking for the 15-minute setup. See when we consider the liquidity. Looking for a sweep, which happened here, and that's like way past it. This one already. It's not a distance. There's no unicorn there. Over here, no unicorn. Why? So it took out no more liquidity. Market pushed back up. Actually, it gave us a unicorn model to the downside, not to the upside. But you see, market pushed back down even more. No setup. This is relatively gonna be a long ass video. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm trying to. Man, wish you luck, but you're in the wrong channel. Damn it. Oh. What the fuck is this guy talking, bro? Stop talking, niggas. Oh, sorry for saying that word. Talk like that fuck nigga. But short and simple. Wednesday, which was right over here. Or what was my buy during Wednesday? Wednesday, there was like no setup. I was looking for the high quality setup way, right, to go for a long. So I was looking for a high quality move back to the upside, which was this. Actually, I think I had a setup during Tuesday, but this week I was cooked, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was trying to figure out when am I supposed to be taking a high quality setup or when I'm not. And I found out right over here. Super liquidity. Looking to aim for this the next 4 box liquidity, which is over here. Now looking to long it. 2 o'clock is right over here. These are relative equal highs. Ooh, you can see relative equal highs of the main take profit. Now it's 2 o'clock. No entries here. 3 o'clock. When we had our setup. Looks like we had a setup. Okay, 3 o'clock. Boom. 4 o'clock. Hit it. Okay. During this time, 400 liquidity is bullish. 4 our bosses bearish. 4 liquidity is bullish. 4 bosses bearish. 1 hour liquidity is bearish. 1 hour bias is bearish. Looking for 15-minute confluence. Is lose. So we can't. All of this looked like it delivered in our favor. Did it? Fuck no, he didn't. The market pushed up, took out liquidity. Boom, took out his other liquidity. Boom. Give us a unicorn model, which never got hit because my fact check is not winning. Okay, I rely on my fact check. If it's not winning, then I'm not entering that trade. So no setup there. This over here, no setup. Market gave me an entry late during the session, so I was looking for like no setup here. This is all-time high. Even to this, it was like FOMC, right? No setup, no unicorn model. Why no unicorn model? Market never took out any more liquidity. No down closing candle. So yeah, I would have had my unicorn model all the way down here. Actually, super liquidity. Unicorn model down here. Still did not touch my fair value. Yeah, pump right back down without giving us entry, right? Which is ideal. Next day, Thursday, no setup to the downside or upside. Market took out a lot of liquidity for downside, right? It did right over here. So I was bullish for that day. But I said, man, I was bullish, yes. But taking setup, no. Why? Because I was fucking up, right? So this time, no setup, market pumped up, came back down during this time. Next session, I'm still looking for that long. Market pumped up here, right? I'm still looking for that to aim for that long position. I was looking to aim for this boss liquidity, this, and overall this whole thing here. But during that time, you created a 4 boss liquidity, right? So I was like, okay, fuck this take profit. We're gonna go for this as a take profit, right? With that, I was looking for the outlet confluence, which we had right on during market open. Solid for Riga, looking to long it from here. Alright, watch it down, looking for a 15-minute confluence back to the upside. Which sweep of liquidity, the last down candle, the last up closing candle for the sweep of liquidity, which was what? This right over here. We had a 15-minute unicorn model, looks like it. Did we? Did it hit TP? Did it give us entry? No, we didn't give no entry. Okay, so during this time, looking for 2-minute confluence, never had it. Sweep of liquidity. Never give us the entry here. Even with my other model, never give us the entry. Market pumped up here. Give us this, touch that, and yeah. No entries on my 15-minute breaker block. So, oh shoot, yes. Market broke just up on this, right? But one thing to keep in mind, this one had a sweep, right? Boom. This is an up closing candle. This can't be this one. Okay, so we're gonna look for a setup here, eh? I'm gonna look for a setup. So market books are up above this, right? Because like right when this is my breaker block or order block, I'm still looking for a setup. So right when this is any of them, I'm looking for a setup to aim for a long position, right? So took out his liquidity. The last up closing candle for the taking out the liquidity was what? This breaker block. So when it's a breaker block, what if fair value gap that's overlapped with a fair value gap? What does this breaker block have? Fair value gap inside of it, but did it get touched? No. But guess what? What got touched? The breaker block. Right I don't care which one gets touched or not, right? I care about my 1 minute execution, and I care about one more thing because 1 minute execution is different, right? I'm not looking for the same thing. I'm looking for a 1 minute breaker to the upside with a 1 minute or a 1 minute reverse flag or 1 minute block and entry over there. If I don't get that, I'm not entering. But now I've got to the 5 minute. Once it does that, I'm looking for a 5 minute confluence to getting in. I'm looking for like another 5 minute, model. Why? Because my rule tells me to, right? So once you get the 15-minute unicorn model right over here, so I'm looking for another one. I'm looking for another reconstruction. I'm looking for another, super liquidity back to the downside. I mean, over here you can see sweep of this liquidity. Boom. Then eventually no super liquidity happened here. We got a 5-minute over here. So we had a 5-minute entry. Blood.
Stop throwing your socks like that.
You feel me?
It's not your
So
mother's house, not fair, your father.
chat. So that is
Yeah, you got
my family's. I'm speaking out, bro. I gotta calm down, okay? So it's really getting longer, so let me just keep on talking. We had a 15-minute. We got a 15-minute what? Break a block with a 5-minute what? So we had a 15-minute unicorn model. Cheaper liquidity, fair value got that in line with it. I don't care which one gets touched first. Whatever gets touched first, that's all I care about. Then I'm looking for execution. I'm looking for the fair value to get touched as well with it. I'm just looking for a fair value gap to be inside of it. I don't care about it. I just looking for the fair value gap to be inside of it. But you can see next candle.
oh my god.
And yeah, next candle didn't touch it, but yeah. But one more thing is in here, market did what? Market set out one liquidity, right? You can see took out the Sasa liquidity, most recent one. So the last up closure candle for the super liquidity, which is what this breakup block. With that breakup block, you can see we never had enough super liquidity, so we don't have to care about nothing else. But now, what the market do? First up, what did the super liquidity have? What did this fair value gap had? Overlapping fair value gaps with it, which was any of these. I'm looking for any of these to get touched. I'm looking for entry, which in this case was this, that, all of these. Guess what? Never had an entry. I did have an entry actually. Not entry. I never had a push down here, right? But what do we had? I'm just looking for the first one that overlaps with it. And I don't care if there's a breakup block, but there's no fair value gap that for everything get touched. I don't care. I'm just looking for one to get touched, right? So yeah. Now, what do we got here is market push down here. Touched the fair value gap with the overlapping, auto block. So we got a unicorn model here, and we got a 15-minute unicorn model, 5-minute unicorn model. As you guys know, the market is fractal, so the thing will happen in the same time frame. But the market touched here. I was looking for entry. What we're looking for entry was we had another unicorn model actually over here, which I don't really care about, but super liquidity again, push above displacement. Last up closing candle was here. Boom, boom. We had another 15-minute. We had another 1-minute unicorn model. Everything's fractal. This had to use it to push up. So my entry would have been out of this bullish candle, which was whatever the bullish candle over here. This is the last bullish candle because it's just my 1-minute. I don't care about that 1-minute unicorn model. I just care about the 5-minute and the 15-minute. Everything else I don't really care about. Why do I not care about it? Because 1 minute I'm just looking for a fair value gap to get inversed or a breakup structure. In this case, breakup structure, which always causes a what in the market? A displacement, and it causes a unicorn model. So something might not cause it, but something might mess us up with that. So I had a setup during this week. Okay, interesting. My Sasa would have been below this, the third candle, 1, 2, 3. For the third one right over here. Take profit would have been what? TP1 would be here. TP2 would be right over here. Why are we going for this? Why are we going for this? Because there's no correlation with these, right? Oh my goodness! So I missed a setup. Hey, it's interesting. Here, close right up below it. So I'm looking to get out right over here. Why am I looking to get out over here? Because market does a box liquidity, closes below it. So I'm looking to get out here or here, right? So it was a what's RR? 2RR. Okay, cool. Now we found out that we don't have to look for a. As I said, this week, I was really looking for the high quality setup. My main focus was a high quality setup, right? Which was just a high quality setup. This was a high quality setup, right? I was looking for the high, but like my mindset was so messed up, right? At this time, I was looking for a buy side, but I had my different type of strategy, which I never had an entry, but this one I did. So if I would have hauled to here, if I would have hauled to all over here, it would have been, saying use RR. But yeah, one time, only one trade, which I didn't take. Unfortunately, over here, no setup. You know, this was 2 o'clock time. I'm looking for that long entry over here. Market has no reason to go back down, right? But market has no reason to go back up, or nor has no reason to go back down. Over here, 2 o'clock. This is past my trading time. So now from here, market has no reason to go back up for a value gap. From here, market once the market goes over here, now market has no reason to go back down. No reason to go back up. Market do push back down. From here, has no reason to go back. No, it has a reason to go back up because it's just a fair value gap. Just right back up. And yeah, no entries here. So at this time, I was at bearish or bullish. I don't know. I was bearish during this time, right? Because market was looking for a movement back to the downside. But it's for value gap, which we never touched it. Right? Sets liquidity, we never touched it. So yeah, we only have one setup throughout this week. My mindset is really quick. But yeah, man, we found out. And that is it. Thank you for watching. For the community, we only have one unicorn model start this week, which is really nice. Hey, taking one trade for a week is really good, bro, in my eyes. Right, so I only have one unicorn model. So when I do my unicorn model, I don't care about both of them. All I care about is two things: there being a fair value gap, there being a breakout structure, like displacement, fair value gap, displacement, and one more thing is that in a 15-minute time frame. And the same thing gotta repeat in the same time frame, in a 5-minute. Right? I'm looking for a 15-minute, right? And if it's a probably for value gap, right? And I don't, when there's a 15-minute order block, right, or breakup block, but market somehow touches the breakup block, doesn't touch a fair value gap, I don't care. I'm looking for a setup. Whatever gets touched first, I don't care. If there's, all I care about there being a fair value gap, or there being a breakup structure, or there being a breakup block with it, right, aligned with overlapping each other. I don't care which one gets touched first. I don't care being biased on it, which one PK on it, right? And yeah, like that, because I can look for a setup 5-minute setting, and yeah, look for execution, because that will lead over time just lead to bad way of trading. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's my 9/22/2024 Berkeley market recap. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's done. That video is done. I gotta post 2 more videos. And yeah, I gotta do one more video. Because before I end the stream, I do one more video, which is the weekly market recap. Let's get over to it, man. It's back to it. Now I have confidence in the market back. Now I have unicorn model, my execution trades, everything great. Let me delete this because I don't need it no more until tomorrow, because I have it saved up. Alright, stop fucking texting me, nigga. Like, these motherfuckers texting me, bro. How can it text me, bro? How can you know I'm here? Hey, man. Dude, I have to believe that. Oh, nigga. Bro, quit playing with me, chat. Bro, what is this? Can I go to my thing, please, bro? I'm tweaking out. Got my confidence in the video. And yeah, now weekly thing ended, right? Still have 4 hours. We don't talk anymore. So for this, the last Damn, my car looking sexy out here, bro. Ain't gonna lie. It's sexy how it is, baby. And I fart. And I fart. And I fart. I farted. Because I have a wudu. And I lost my wudu. No. No. I took a long ass sleep, bro. I took a 20-hour sleep. Okay, so I say, oh, la 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 la. Okay, Manny. Okay, let's get it. Chat, let's get it. Bull run! Parabolic run! Bull run! I have nothing to say, but let's get to the video. Weekly market update. What is up with crypto? What's the next spot to accumulate your coins? What is happening? Is this a manipulation leg? Is there gonna be more bearish movement happening? Why is gonna be more bearish movement happening? Because the interest rate cuts is a manipulation for the investors to get in and get manipulated and get stopped out. Why? Because market they just cut the interest rate by what? 0.50%? 0.50, not 50%, 0.50, right? That right there pushed up the whole market. Pushed up Bitcoin, pushed up Ethereum, pushed up every coin, pushed up every stock market, pushed up S&P 500. Why? Interest rate cut. That's more bullish for crypto, but guess what? It is manipulation. I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking for more bearish movement. Okay, I'm looking for a manipulation at least. I'm looking for the market to take out more investors, then come back down, then eventually push back up, right? Let's get over to it. Crypto is currently making a weekly order block, weekly accumulation zone, weekly order block. So what I'm anticipating, I have my money ready. Accumulating, I'm accumulating right on this order block. That's what I'm accumulating. I'm looking to put more position sizing on this weekly order block. Daily just messy, so I'm not gonna mess with daily time frame. But that's that, and we're still in an accumulation spot. It's still gonna accumulate, but we're gonna get a Western area, and the market is rallying for no reason. Manipulation, like manipulation. So watch out. Same thing with this. Market is pumping out of here, but I'm looking like if this could create a hourly order block, would be fantastic. Same thing with this. I'm always looking for an hourly. We just touched a weekly order block right over here. We just bounced it out of last one, right? So what I'm looking like is still go around here, range a little bit to next week. Next week should be a little bit ranging because this should be next week as well. FOMC. Let's check the chart. Let's check it ourselves. What is next week? Next week is FOMC. Thursday. Yeah. Wednesday's FOMC meeting. So the federal fund rates. Be careful. This might be so don't invest before Thursday. Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. I don't really care. And this is still nowhere near, bigger the trend line, but yeah. This one, pump it up. You gotta pump it up, pump it up, gotta pump it up. Why do I gotta pump it up? Because it's bullish. You see, he's finally getting out of range, finally getting some bullish movement. But what am I anticipating for the next time? For the next move? I'm looking for another move back to the downside, back to this accumulation area. Market loves to go to the accumulation area and bounce out of them or reverse them, use them as a move to go back down. But this right here, paired with the Bitcoin move, looks like to be a really, really good thing to do. Weekly order block. And this is my coin, by the way. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? But that's my coin. I usually when I'm doing my analysis, I like to use Bitcoin. My coin right over here, got a weekly order block. I'm looking to accumulate at $2.50. Right now, I'm up on my investment, like fucking 9%, because I invested throughout the whole thing. But keep in mind, didn't say thank you for watching. Got our Discord, really quick one, quick market update. But be careful, do not invest your money before FOMC meeting because that might cause a lot of manipulation legs, man. Be careful. Really dangerous right now in the market. This looks like to me a manipulation leg. But yeah, everything is pumping. So pumping. Everything is pumping. It's just a daily, more pumping, pumped up a lot. Pumping, you know what I mean? The lower time frame is pumping. Even the lower time frame, the far time frame is pumping. Be careful. So yeah, don't invest before Wednesday. Manipulation leg are gonna happen. Be careful. Thanks for watching. On Discord, any guys, any kind of videos, suggestions, let me know. And yeah, let's get to it. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'll see you guys later, chat. I'll see you guys today at 10 a.m. I'll see you guys at 2 a.m.